Hey guys, it's Nikol Garcia. So today we will be doing a DIY. I will color my hair. So I will be using these L'Oreal and Paris. As you can see, I have hair color. I will be trying this with you guys, and let's see if it really works. L'Oreal Paris 6.30 Golden Blonde. Your excellent action. So, and it says here, in this pack you will find 1 protective pre-color serum, and number 2 is a protective cream colorant, number 3 cream developer. So, as you can see here, ganito yung hair nyo ganito before, then it will become like this one, and pag dark, ganito. Ipahid na mabuti ang protective. Meron pa siyang Tagalog version. Yung lahat ng container may numbers. So this is for number 2. Number 1, the serum. Number 3, the, what's this? Cream developer. Developer ba ito? Yes. This is number 4, protective conditioner. Number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. So, apply protective serum on dry and unwashed hair. Do not rinse. Pahid na mabuti ang protective serum sa tuyo at hindi nahugasan mo. Comes with the parang manual or instructions. Ooh, and they also have gloves. Ay, wala dito. Kumaintindihan. Alien siya. But yes, dito. No. Step 2. Pour the whole tube into the bottle to shake to mix. Replace bottle tip with comb and apply on hair. Let it develop on hair for 30 minutes. Ibuhos ang buong tube ng protective cream colorant at bote ng cream developer. I-shake na mabuti para mahalo. Palitan ng takip ng developer ng suklay na takip bago magsuklay. Babad ng 30 minutes. So let's do the first step, which is the serum. Kadali. Tapos, yan. Apply lang sa buhok. Make sure that you apply it even. Feeling ko kulang to sa akin. Yeah, that's my wet look. I'm done with the first step, and let's go to the step 2, which is mix and color. So we have to mix the number 2 to the bottle number 3. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. By the way, guys, don't forget to wear your clothes. And then let's do this. Do we apply this one? You can see. Ayun. I'm done with my second step. I will let the product stay for 30 minutes, and after that we'll proceed to step 3. Time is up, so I have to rinse my hair. Then I'll be proceeding to the step 4, and it's the condition. I'm done again, and then let's proceed to the fourth step, and it's the conditioning. So we have to apply. Rinse hair completely with water. Apply conditioner, balm on hair. Leave for 2 minutes, then rinse. So it's smooth. Make sure to apply evenly. The good thing about this is it's so soft. After you wash your hair and rinse your hair is still soft, and I like it. I love it.